Okay, so how many languages you can speak?
I can speak in 3 languages,
Like
like English, Bengali, and Korean.
Korean.
Yeah.
What is easy, English or Korean?
I would say Korean is easy. Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, how many letters in English and how many letters in Korean language?
There are 26 letters in English, but in Korean there are 14 consonants and a bunch of vowels.
More than English.
More than English?
Letters? In Korean, there are more letters. Total number?
No.
More than 26?
It's less than 26.
Less than 26?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think you have lots of fans and followers in Bangladesh and outside of the country? They watch your videos?
I mean, I get a lot of viewers, but I don't know they are my fans or anything, but I don't know. I don't know this answer.